everyone, my name is Charlotte. Welcome to Taiwan. Today I would like to introduce you one of the many Taoist temples in Taiwan you can visit. This temple is worshiping the god of money. So you can come to this temple and pray for prosperity and fortune. 这是多少钱?
300.
Okay, this is 300.
One piece is 300. One piece is 100.
This is 100. So this is the raw eggs that's as an offering to the tiger god, and this is the money offering to the money god. So we already have $400, and we put this here. 好，谢谢。Okay, let's go. 好。
Please.
好。So when you come to the temple in Taiwan, before you pray to the deity, you hold the incense and you have to identify yourself by telling him your name, your address, and your birthday. And then you can ask questions or just ask him for blessing, for prosperity, or any wishes that you'd like to ask. So right now, I will write down my name and my address and today's date on this piece of paper, and then I will put my fingerprints here. So if you come to Taiwan to this temple, you can also write them in English. That's no problem. This is also another package that you need to write your name, address, and the last column is today's date. But it's okay, no worries about it. You can just write your name in English and address in English as well. So, and then today's date right here. So the egg offering for the tiger god, these are the money paper for him. So you also need to write your name and address and your birthday on a piece of paper, okay? Okay. We will put this raw eggs offering to the altar of Tiger God. Let's go. we finish all the praying, the whole process, we bring the paper money to this place right here, and we will put the paper money to the God and put it in the fire. So this will be the last step to complete the process of praying. 请问你哦，如果外国观光客来拜财神爷的时候，那财神爷他听得懂英文吗？
懂啊，当然懂啊。
哦，真的哦？为什么？
他懂，这个是神的东西哦。大部分都是全世界都懂了。OK，
所以不管是哪
都可以通啊，
都可以通哈。所以不管
神的说天那么大，
是
就是要大家都懂。
所以只要不管是美国人、德国人、
外国人
都可以。那阿北你会讲什么语言？
我大部分都一点点都说，我都会了。
什么？哦，一点点啊？你会什么几个语言？啊？你会几个语言？
日语也懂一点的，客家也可以，国语也可以。
啊，英文
一点点，一点点的没有很多了。
好，
也这样。
那我们外国朋友来拜财神爷的时候，就可以来找你了。要摸元宝，
年年好，
年年好。
啊，手环宝，
手环宝是什么？
台语啦。
哦，手环宝。年
年好。
年年好。
啊，手环宝嘴。
手环宝嘴。
大富贵。
大富贵。
手环宝卡。手
环宝卡。
一年才大他。
一年才大他。
才大他。
才大他。
一他啦。
哦，一
他了哈。
好好。
这不这都
哦，好，谢谢。赚大钱。